What is going on, Coaster Spotters? It is December 21st, almost the end of the 2022 season, and we have two more updates for the year. And as you can see, we have some more track installed. I don't think any more track has been delivered, but we'll take a look in a moment when we go up on the drone. But as you can see, the underflip is inverted, and as you can see, it's going well above the original height of 106 feet, so it looks like you're going to be about 120 feet. It'd be kind of cool if they had kept like the top of the chain lift, so you could have looked up and it's been like, oh yeah, that's how tall it used to be. That's the one time where I would have kind of been cool if them were keeping stuff. But anyways, it's looking really good. We do have more ledgers added, you know, the cross members that support the track. We have a lot more of those added, and a lot more groundwork. The drone is going to show you the most. We will go inside, but by the time I get over to the station, it will probably be nighttime or close to it. But I can go straight there because I do not believe, unfortunately, that it's going to be warm enough for pandemonium, which sucks. I haven't ridden a lot this year, so oh well. Here's hoping for our last visit, which will be the last day of the year, the 31st. And let's hope for pandemonium and stuff. Let's hope, and because the Wonderful Life will be there, and we will do a trip report vlog that day. We do have those cross members that were in our construction update last time. Unfortunately, no track has been added there. But you can also see they've been building up the bottom of the what will be the second drop, what was the first drop. Looking good. I think a lot more groundwork has been done. The station looks like they're really moving along on that one. That is looking pretty nice up there. Very interesting how you're going to be still heading up when you do that underflip. And you're not going to even hit the crest of the top of it until you start flipping out of it. It'll be very interesting to see if we're going to hit some G-forces or we're going to get some hang time when we get to the top of that underflip. Either would be great. I kind of wish it's G-force because I'd love to be just whipping through that inversion. So the ride's 140 feet tall, and that's about 110, 20. I think we're going to have some hang time. And a quick look up from the gardens. As I said, just the inversion and that supports on the bottom there. But now this thing is really looking very transformed. I apologize if it's a little shaky and stabilization does not help me, but it is very cold. It is 38 degrees. There's a look at that station. We'll do some night photos, I think. I think that will be the best approach from the inside of the park, so we'll take a look at what's going on there, but I don't expect to see very much. If you haven't seen our full tour of Christmas Lane, check it out. You can see the wonderful lights that got upgraded on Lightning Racer. And I may come back tonight and give you a look at them from up here as well. And it occurs to me that next year I need to come here and get a shot when both of these are going over. All right, we'll go and take the drone up and do some analysis.
All right, wow, that view of the underflip looks freaking amazing. And also this view with the sunset. We're going to go over everything that I can see on the construction site from left to right. The helix area looks like the real remaining place that they need to pour some footers. That's going to be for the approach to the lift hill. The station has gotten its roof mostly put on. It has the weather coating on it, or the weather stripping put on it, and it just needs shingles. And then that elevator is nearly formed up. Still a lot to go on that one, but still getting there. And then just to the right of that, you're going to see a giant hole that's rectangular. That's for the second lift hill footer. Of course, support that giant truss structure that's going to be going in 140 feet. But right above the underflip as we fly around, you're going to see that the footer for the base of the lift hill is almost complete, or I think completely complete. And it looks like they might have poured the one for the base. It's really hard to see through the structure to see if it's there, but I think it is because it's the new concrete look there. And that's about it for all the progress. We'll make another pass so you'll be able to look at it in detail. The last remaining footers that need to really be poured as well are the run to the brake run. after the final turn, because it's going to be a straight shot to the brake run instead of a turn between the two. And here's the storage lot. No new track, just 6 pieces remaining, it looks like. Some constructed bents in the middle, and some off on site right there to the right of the structure, and then more ledgers for where all the track is going to sit on has been constructed, and a lot of more of those have arrived. And something I noticed is they're painted brown, which is really nice. Most RMC conversions, I think they're been just galvanized, you know, the grayish color, and I think it's a little jarring on the wood structure. It's going to match the steel structure of the lift hill, which will be nice. And yeah, the only other one I think of that was painted was Twisted Colossus, and that was after they constructed it. So, alright, that's it. We're going to do one more little pass, and I'll be quiet, and then we will wrap it up with one more thing. Well, I didn't think I was going to make it over here because Candemonium did open 15 fantastic rides, but here's a look at the station area. As you can see, the roof is pretty much done, and we have a lot of footer work for that station storage area, the train storage area rather. It looks like it's framing up the foundation with more footers for the transfer track as well. Those little noodles sticking out with the orange caps. And there is the park at night. First time taking the drone up ever at night, and it was kind of terrifying. But wow, Hersheypark looks beautiful with all the lights on. Unfortunately, the Noel lights down in the hollow were turned off already because this was after the park closed. But other than that, it looks really nice. We'll try to do this again in the near future at other parks. So thanks for watching. This has been Alex. Definitely do some comments down below what you're most excited for Wildcat's Revenge. And hit that bell for notifications when videos come out, because that all helps the channel grow and allows me to continue to make these videos.